Today I'm going to run through the UB Everest Outback Armour 3550 GVM Upgrade kit. On the front we've got assembled struts, and these come in our GVM specific adjustable struts with 20 plus stages of adjustment, changing loads, changing roads, or our GVM specific DSV struts. These are available in our Trail, Expedition and Expedition HD. Now the Trail, Expedition HD is the way we talk about the weight. So Trail, unladen, Expedition, 50 to 100 kilo, Expedition HD, 100 to 150 kilo of weight. Then we move to our Cat 6 indicators, which come with the wiring loom. Moving along, we're going to go to our coils and shocks. In the UB Everest 3550 GVM upgrade kit, we run our Trail spring or our Expedition spring. Paired with both of these coil springs are our Outback Armour adjustable shocks available with 20 plus stages of adjustment, just like the fronts, or our DSV shocks. Now both these shocks, bigger body than OE, more oil. The DSVs have cooling grooves and a stone shield. Paired with both of our coil springs comes our Outback Armour airbags, our owner's manual supplement, tyre placard, certification, and we finish it off with our Outback Armour Insignia airbag inflation bracket. Optional extras for this kit are the Outback Armour upper control arms, easily identifiable by the orange cap. Now these give you 3 degrees of caster to help with your wheel alignments, to assist with driving true and avoid that uneven tyre wear. We've been the suspension choice for armed forces and security teams around the world for years. If we can have a 10-ton vehicle performing well on a battlefield, it's a no-brainer to go with us for your vehicle's GVM. Give your closest Outback Armour dealer a call and never go alone again when you go with Outback Armour.